Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Aries, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her, Aries. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. So today we have Emperor, Transformation and Six of Air. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a person who is really confident about your skills and talents, and you are a strong hearted person, Aries, determined. So no matter what circumstances you see in your life today, in your work or in your relationship, you are determined to see success, determined to do the things you want to do, and you are a very strong-willed person. That may be true even in this relationship. So you are a very confident person, and today in your life, you are following the rules, whatever ideals or beliefs you have, and there may be people coming to help you, people in authority, people who have succeeded in life. They may come forward by themselves to help you in some circumstances in your work or in this relationship. Maybe your friends or family members who are doing well, who are older to you, who are truthfully concerned about you. They may have certain suggestions to tell you. If that is the situation, you can listen to their ideas. It is only going to make things better for you today, Aries. So you are seeing some changes in your life, seeing greater changes. There may be a lot of difficult circumstances in this relationship, a lot of understanding. You need a lot of compromise you need to do, and you are expecting something. Maybe you are expecting a lot of troubles, arguments or fights, maybe because your circumstances are going in such a way. Maybe there are things you need to talk to this person, or this may be their energy. Maybe they need to tell you something, and that will cause a lot of troubles in this relationship. That is not a small thing. Whatever secrets or whatever past or whatever intentions they are going to reveal to you, it is going to make things bad for the moment, just like turbulent waters. So everything is changing, Aries, for you in this relationship. This person is changing, you are changing, but you should not resist these changes. You must allow these changes to make changes in you. It is for your own highest good. So when things are beyond control, It is time for you to wait for destiny or karma to unfold your life just the way it should. So that is what I see, Aries. So for your relationship, we have one more card. Five of Fire. So maybe in this connection, you are trying to honor this person, respect them for what they are. Each and every one of us are unique in our own way. So when we appreciate each other's ideas and appreciate each other's suggestions, we are just going to build a harmonious and balanced relationship. That is the answer for your situation. So you can bring calmness and peace in your relationship if you respect this person. When you respect, you get respect. That is what I see. So for your career situation, Aries, we have one card. Nine of Earth. So circumstances are really good. Things are falling into place. You are laying the foundation for a strong, a better, successful future today. So that is the energy here with this card for your career, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, Victory of Miriam. So with this card in your circumstances today, this is a very special card, guys. It comes with an amazing message. So every challenge or adventure you are facing in your life is here to just test you, and it is here to make you understand the truth what you are. So every bird needs space and an open sky to fly, and every tiger needs that hunger that is going to drive her to fulfill her being, live her nature. The same way, you need to realize your divine nature, your holy expression of that greatest love each and every one of us have. And life is providing us to make our needs be met. So that is the energy here with this card, and this card also brings you comfort and guidance in understanding that whatever we are going through, maybe circumstances may bring us happiness, certain circumstances may bring us struggle, a lot of sadness, but whatever is happening because of that divine energy each and every one of us have inside us. So we should not hesitate to trust it. We must embrace it fully, allow things to happen, let things to have its own way. And there is no need to resist any changes happening today. Live life with love and let our circumstances unfold with love. And you are going to succeed. That is also the energy here. All you need to do is just let that success unfold in your life and be part of this loving energy. And you may feel a part of you trying to avoid something painful. You no longer want yourself to go through all that failure and criticism, whatever happened. But you are becoming more optimistic each and every day. You are becoming stronger. You will have that realization deep down in your heart of hearts. And you will feel that sense of achievement. Let anything happen, and you will be stronger no matter what. That is your attitude today. When you have that balance in your heart, it just means that you are having that acceptance for your circumstances. That divine surrender is unfolding in your being. And when that happens, it just means that you are going to reach success in whatever you are thinking or planning. And it is all divine plan unfolding in your life. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have the Light Princess and Grounded. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to escape some kind of a negative situation. You are feeling really scared, or you are having a lot of inhibitions to face some emotions, and you just want to stay away from that circumstance and from that people who are creating that circumstance. But sometimes if you want to live authentically, you must take steps to connect with the people who are close to you. It is time for you to be really practical today. See the way you need to live your life, relate to the people who are close to you. That way you will be able to find that true soul connection. So maybe because of the hurt and pain, you just don't want anyone, you just want to stay aloof, you just want to stay alone, and you are considering yourself immune and invulnerable. But that is not reality, guys. So you need to be really grounded, be really practical, and you should not go for escapism and having dreams, just fantasizing about your future without taking steps practically is not going to take you anywhere. So that is the energy here. So it is time for you to give up all your fears, inhibitions, and relate to people, talk to people whom you love, and relate to people with whom you want to have a true connection. When you do that, you will be able to find that true soul mate for you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow.